Ladies and gentlemen, here at Forte Village, okay, I host the Marvins Magic Academy, and I'm very lucky to have been involved with Marvins Magic. We've created many new magic sets, and we have a very special new magic set I'm allowed to tell you about that comes out in September. The Marvins Magic has linked with Rubik's. You know the Rubik's Cube? Yes? So this is Erno Rubik there. This is Marvin, and that was me. And in September, we have a fantastic new set coming out, the Rubik's amazing box of magic and illusions. It has 40 tricks in, representing 40 years of Rubik. And I was very lucky to be involved in creating this magic set. And yeah, there we are. So because of that, I spent a lot of time in a room with a Rubik's Cube. I'm going to try and solve the Rubik's Cube for you today. Lightning speed. I did it! Don't clap that. I've got 2 cubes. That's easy, okay? Someone was impressed, but I think it's from a small village. Give me 6. Now, this up. I'm going to solve the cube for you now, but I'm only going to look at the cube for 1.5 seconds. So you know how to mix a cube, don't you? Come forward, please. Make sure this cube stays inside. Go for it. Really shuffle it. Shuffle the cube. Shuffle it up. Oh my, not that much, kid. I've got to put it back together. I'm going to put the blindfold on, try and solve the cube. If I get this, hopefully you'll go crazy. Sometimes people stand up and clap. Some people write big checks and throw them at me. Standing up and clapping will be fine. Okay. Right, are you ready? Keep mixing. I'm putting the blindfold on, and I'm going to look at the cube. Look, I don't want to fall off the stage like I did in rehearsal. It was really funny, though. Okay, young man, put the cube in my hand. Here we go. I'm going to look at the cube. 1.5 seconds. Oh boy. So the Marvins Magic Rubik's Box of Tricks is out this September. You're the first people to see that. That is what you call a misspent youth. Ladies and gentlemen, I've been Michael J. Fitch, and you know I couldn't have wished for a better audience. Thank you for listening to me, and enjoy the rest of the show. Good night, everybody.
Michael J. Fitch.